Welcome to Vantage International India Incorporation based at New Delhi. Vantage is involved in loan manufacturing and export of pharmaceutical products, nutraceuticals, and cosmetics, along with the herbal products. These are of organic products. We are providing the all range of organic products as well. Why to join hands together with the Vantage? See, for export of pharmaceutical products or maybe the organic products, the most important thing it's now the skill industry, and we have to have the strong regulatory team, a strong clinical non-clinical team, and very strong pharmacovigilance team. And fortunately we have all the pharmacovigilance, regulatory, clinical non-technical team in house, so we will provide you all the regulatory documents as per the scheduled time. Currently we have more than 200 products in pharmaceuticals, and with the ready dossiers, CDD dossiers, along with the PSUR, risk management planning, PSMF, and SOP of pharmacovigilance. So you need not to worry about that. And along with we have the bioequivalence study as well. And wherever regulatory requirement is there, we are very strong in responding back to the regulatory agencies across the world. Currently we are targeting only the African market, Asian market, and CIS market right now, and we are having more than 100 products registered in Nigeria, and 20 products in Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Kyrgyzstan. Very recently we are entering into the Tajikistan, Seychelles, Jordan, and some other countries. Very recently we are going to finalize the deal. Why you will join hands with Vantage? See, Vantage has very strong negotiation on the purchase of raw materials, so we will provide you the best price in the industry, so that you can save your margin at your end. And on the other hand, we are very strong in the regulatory and the product management team as well. So suppose you require any product promotional inputs, so we'll provide you the all strategy, the pre-launch, post-launch strategy, as how and how to enter into the market with the innovative brands, innovative products. So we'll help you out, your business development team, sales team, as how to get the training of product, and we are very much capable to respond to the doctor's query as well. Vantage is very much established company in India since 2009, and we are right now more than 25 crores company, and doing wonderful association relation with the all over Indian manufacturers, maybe the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and organic, and the cosmetic as well. So if you require any product of any segment of the pharmaceuticals, herbals, nutraceuticals, and cosmetics, we are here to give you the best price. No worry at all. And the most important thing, see, in the fastest moving world, the organic product requirement is very much in need, is in need of the hour, and we are here to help you out with all these products requirement, whatever you require right now. Second thing, that the quality, we already have in-house QCG that checks quality at every manufacturing point before dispatch. So you need not to worry about the quality, because we are very much involved in the quality. Without quality check, we are not dispatching goods anywhere in the world, because medicine either kills life or saves life. So to be a very safe medicine, we are here to help you out with the safe medicine. The most important thing in summarizing about the Vantage International, we are very much strong in the regulatory, we are very much strong in the pharmacovigilance, we are very much strong in the clinical non-clinical part, and we are very much vigilant on the quality part. So we check all the consignment before dispatch from our part. Second thing, and the fifth point, that will give you the affordable price, because all the raw materials purchase is very much we are very much concerned about that, so that we can provide you the quality medicine at the at an affordable price. So you are welcome. You just share your desired product, whatever you require, and we'll revert you back. And the most important thing, we have already more than 200 products ready with the everything, the CTD dossier and the PSUR, RMP, bioequivalence study, and XYZ. Even price is ready. So join hands together right away. Why to wait? And we have all the formulations. We have tablet, capsules, injections, all the cephalosporin injection, all the non-beta-lactam injections. If we require infusion, we are very much ready with the reducers of infusions. And lipoasperic sachet is very innovative kind of thing. We are going to provide you the spray of multivitamins, maybe the vitamin D3, B complex, and multivitamin as well. And we can provide you the protein drink for the kidney patient and for the all age group, including the women as well. If you require any energy drink, we are here with the innovative drink, and we can give you the private label as well. If you require any herbal kind of drink, organic drink for your patient. So if you require any other like cosmetics range, like charcoal products, face mask or face wash or anything else, we are here to provide you. We are here to provide you the probiotic shots as well. We have complete range of effervescent tablets of from vitamin C to, there are so many, more than 25 effervescent tablets out here. So Vantage is a complete basket for the pharmaceutical, nutraceuticals, herbal and cosmetics. So just ensure you join us, and will mutually will grow, and you take care of your business development part, and the rest thing will take care. For business, you need not to worry about that. We'll provide you the quality product and all the regulatory pharmacovigilance and the clinical, non-clinical and quality part as well. You have to just concentrate on your business, and you just concentrate on business. Whenever you require any support, we are here to assist, help you out at the fastest track and the fastest mode, and anywhere else you can discuss and you can chat, you can WhatsApp, whatever you want. We are here to help you out. So we are here to help to grow your business faster than the fastest mode, and will provide you the best quality medicine at affordable price. And our commitment will remain with the time, will not change the commitment, quality and compliance. Thank you very much for having with us. Please join hands together with Vantage, a very good partner for the importers across the world. Thank you very much once again.